It's Chase here with Nitrous Express, and in today's video we're going over the C6 switch panel and we're going to show you how to install it. The C6 switch panel offers a clean and attractive switching solution for nitrous systems as well as many other electrical devices. This switch panel mounts in the ashtray location of the 2005 to 2013 Chevrolet Corvette. We have one out in the parking lot, so let's go install the C6 switch panel on a C6. Installation is very simple. Just remove the factory ashtray and press in the custom NX switch panel into the old ashtray location. The C6 switch panel has laser etched NX logo and labels for the switches. The C6 switch panel is also anodized in black for extra protection. The switches are pre-installed for the nitrous system arming, bottle opener, bottle heater, and a purge. The part number for the C6 switch panel is 15777. For more information, please visit nitrousexpress.com or call 1-888-GO-FAST-1. And as always, thank you for choosing Nitrous Express, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more weekly videos.